Let's learn about combining concepts of GCF, LCM, and distributive property. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. Then use the distributive property to express the sum of the LCM and the GCF of the same numbers as a product of a sum with no common factor. That's a lot to break down. Let's start from the beginning. LCM, least common multiple. Let's find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Let's start with 6. 6, and then 12. Then we have 18. Then we have a 24. That's a 30, 36, 42. Oh, let's go 48 here. And I think we should be good right there. Let's go find for 8 now. We have 8, 16, 24 right there. And there we have it. We have our multiple, least common multiple. We see we have 24 in both of them. So our least common multiple of the two numbers is a 24. What about the greatest common factor? Let's go for 6 first. 6 is 1 and 6. And 2 times 3 gets us to 6. That's it. 8, so the same thing. 1 times 8, we have 2 and a 4. And that's it. And so the greatest common factor in both of these is going to be the 2. Okay? So we have 24 and a 2. So express the sum of the LCM and GCF. So that's going to be a 24 plus a 2, which is a 26. Express the sum as a product of a sum with no common factor. Okay. So product with no common factor. So no common factor with 26. If we have a 2 and a 13, 2 times 13 gets us a 26. There's no common factor between these two numbers. And after all that, we have 2 times a 13. I hope you learned something here about combining concepts of GCF, LCM, and distributive property. And as always, thanks for watching.